last KM bayo, one duathlon guys. Malapit nang matapos guys. 2 days preparation. Mahina ang pacing sa run, mahina ang pacing sa bike. It's okay as long as hindi ka tumigil. Papahinga lang ako sa finish line guys. See you sa finish line. Peace. Na finish line guys. I can see the finish line. Konting tiis na lang. I'll see you there.
Incoming 4006. Congratulations, sir. Good job, sir. Yes, congratulations. Yes, this is good work. Congrats kayo mga taga-BSP.
Congrats!
Thank you.
Makadun. Bawal! Hindi pa na pwede. Palihog lang kayo.